Today we're going to talk about how to screencast with Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, at the top of this presentation, the ribbon has Insert, Design, Straw, Review. If you go to Insert, you can insert Screenshot, which will just click. You can insert Video, which is something you already have, Audio, which you already have, Screen Recording, which is what I'm doing right now. You can also come up to Slideshow and record slideshow, starting recording from current slide with all the things. And if you're wanting to make use of the Microsoft Surface functionality with the pen, you need to turn on that pen command at the tab. And then you can use your pen to draw as you go through. You can, of course, convert to shape, you can underline, you can lasso objects. So all of those things that you can do with your Surface Pro, you can do through PowerPoint. So it's integrated pretty easily. If you need help and you're not sure exactly which one you're looking for, type in what you're looking for, what you want to do. So if you want to get help on record video, if you just start typing, it will offer suggestions of insert video, insert audio, record slideshow, but you can also get help. And the help is, generally speaking, pretty clear and offers step-by-step solutions. But again, most of this comes down to paying attention to what's going on in your tabs, because those tabs really are designed to integrate with all of the components of Microsoft. Don't forget to save your recording as a video. And so when you do that, you go over to File, and sometimes it takes a little bit, but you want to save as or share, export to video. And you can change the file size. I prefer internet quality. You want to use recorded timings and narrations, and then click Create Video. Once you are done with that, you then want to import your video into YouTube or Google Drive or some other way that you can share the file link with other people. So that is how to share your video. Don't forget to share it. And again, this is designed to work with the Surface Pro and all Microsoft products. So it's, generally speaking, a pretty easy to use interface.